ये पुच्छ ओम गणपतिये पुच्छ ब्रह्मदेव पुच्छ ब्रह्मदेव पुच्छ ब्रह्मदेव पुच्छ ब्रह्मदेव पुच्छ ब्रह्मदेव पुच्छ वरवंडुम वरवंडुम वंदरलवंडुमप्पा नल्लदे नडक्कमुंडुम ब्रह्मदेव पुच्छ ब्रह्मदेव पुच्छ Yeah, 1 minute. Yes, sir. Just keep it.
ಅದ ಇರು
One gap. One more. One. Two gap is there. This is traditional method, sir. Manual, scientific separate is there.
Hmm.
L-rod is over.
Okay.
Coconut is over.
Okay.
Now we are seeing the depth, how much feet water level will come.
Hmm.
First is casing.
Hmm.
You have to note down, but keep in mind.
Hmm.
90 to 100 feet casing.
Hmm.
In that bottle, how much came? Correct, huh? 90 to 100 feet is the casing. $760 first gap.
Hmm.
This layer, this is separate.
Hmm.
990 second gap.
Hmm.
760 second is 990.
Hmm.
That much only.
Hmm.
2 gap is there.
Hmm.
The 2 gap water has to come.
Hmm.
Okay. Remember 760, 990, 190 to 100 feet casing. Now this is called, we have to note down somewhere, we'll see. This is center of it. Here one leg, here one leg. Come. See, this direction is showing. Water coming, I'm controlling the same thing only. Just you keep like this, no problem. Where is we keeping that side is enough. The one more gap is this side. This line is coming heavy. Then this direction. 2 sources there. We feed it in 800 feet scanning. What came? 408. Then 672, 2.25 inches. Now what report we are expecting, we'll see. Just watch which one. 920, 3 ton, 2.5 inches. Come front, sir. This is one day. Take this also. Take this also. No. Searching that. As per my thing, half an inch, 1 inch water will come. But this showing something more. This is scientific. This is where from 2 years I'm using it. Coconut I'm using 27 years. Yeah. How much we have to write down? Just note on this also. 520 1118 2.6 inches. Now wait, we are getting one conclusion. what I told you. Half an inch, 760, 960. What is this is showing? We feed at 800 feet.
800.
What is showing report? 428, 672. Near this one, 760 nearby.
Yes.
Okay, next we have feeded 1000 feet.
1000.
What is the result is coming? This is 2.25. This is 2. How much came?
5.
5.
2.05.
So 2.5 inches came. 25% is increased. Okay, what is the depth? 920.
920.
Mine is how much coming?
990.
990. So little clash is there. Then we have tried for 1,300 feet. If you try 1,300 feet also, what is the depth? 510 minimum, 118 only. So 1,300 is not recovered. If you 1,000 feet you are not getting it, means 1,020 is 120 is enough. Not more than that. After that water won't come.
Got it.
That's why we fitted for 1,300. 1,300 we are ready. 1,000 how much coming? Very little water only. This is 2.65. This is 2.60. 50. This is 60. So just one part is extra coming.
Correct.
From here to here, not bad. 25. Some 2 part is extra coming. So we can go for up to how much? 920. Say 1,000 feet is enough. Normally 3 sources has to come. In this places I watched only 2 only is there. 2 has to come. Then you can compare with the local, the neighbors, what they're doing it, how much they got the water. Okay. Sir, ನಮ್ಮ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು? ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೂ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಂದು ನಾನು ಲೆಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಜಾಗ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಐತೆ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಂದು ಹಾಫ್ ಆನ್ ಅವರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾಳೆ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಶೂ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದು 6 ರಿಂದ 9 ಗಂಟೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಸರಿನಾ? ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ನೀವು ಹಳೆ ಬೋರ್ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಆ ಬೋರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ ಸರ್? ರೈಟ್ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.